Update your Kindle. Most software updates occur automatically when your Kindle is connected wirelessly. However, you can also manually install the update. First, download the software update to your computer. Once you save the file to your computer, connect your Kindle to your computer using a USB cable. Your Kindle will appear in the same location as external USB drives usually appear. Open the Kindle drive. You may need to unlock your Kindle device before it can be opened on your computer. Move the update file to your Kindle's root directory. Do not place it into one of the folders. Be sure to safely eject your Kindle from your computer after your transfer is complete and disconnect the USB cable. From the home screen of your Kindle, tap the menu icon and then tap Settings. Tap the menu icon again and then tap Update your Kindle. This option will be grayed out if the most recent update has already been installed or if the file transfer was not successful. Tap OK to perform the update. Once the update is complete, your Kindle should automatically restart. For more help information, visit amazon.com/device support.